There's asymmetry and skew. In fact, I'd call it dangerous. You could see this on slide 41. This was one of the focus charts that I had in late 2007 and early 08 for any of you who were following our research back then. That's when we started the firm. It's similar to late 2007. I wouldn't say it's the same, but as you can see from a mean reversion perspective, this isn't exactly the chart, part of the chart where you'd say that skew is an indicator you should ignore. And again, you can go back, if you don't agree with that period, you could probably go to 2000. And maybe this is why I think this way. I mean, my first 3 years on the buy side were in 2000, 2001, 2002. Those were obviously all down years for the S&P. So I was basically trained as like a little bear, like a little Thunder Bay bear or something. Just don't lose money on the, as markets are going down. So again, I'd be preparing yourself for this because, of course, this is cyclical like anything else. Now, what I'd say to kind of round up this rant would be is different this time than 2007 being, because of course cycles always see something at some point that they've seen before. We can't say we've seen this one before, which is volume, and what we call this one is the elevator up, windows down chart. We did not see this kind of liquidity, a potential liquidity problem for public markets that we're seeing now. So in other words, the sell side is gone, block trades have all but been eliminated from the game. I really don't know, like that would be my own question for you or for our subscribers would be, how do you get out? We're talking right now U.S. total equity market volume, and the way that we model it, which includes dark pool volume, is already crashing on a 3-month average basis versus the prior crashing volume. So we're talking about a very, very thin market that in certain components certainly had big bubbly components to it, not the least of which is this 1208 level in the Russell 2000 that just failed again. So again, it's more of a question that I certainly am not going to pretend that I know the answer to, but I don't think that the answer to that question is going to be a good one.